My dear child, don't let fear take hold of your heart. Instead, accept me as truth and take pleasure in what I say, knowing that your unwavering trust will have major advantages. I understand that there are many challenges on your innovative path, and in the chaos around you may seem overwhelming. The stress, fatigue, and problems are definitely taking its toll, leaving Mel with emotions of hopelessness and loneliness. Yet I want to express to you, my darling, that I am in control of this. You can be sure that I'm fighting for you and collecting a fee since I'm standing with you, so there's no need to fear. Ensuring your protection even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges like facing a powerful opponent or ascending a steep mountain, that I cannot forsake you. I promise to be there for you, giving you the strength and abilities you need to handle any challenging situations, whether they have to do with money, emotions, or put your trust in me for non-secular well-being, because I am greater than any. Despite whatever challenges you may face, I have chosen to lead a life of serenity and confidence, and want to release all of your stress, vulnerabilities, and worries. Believe that I am actively supporting you today to help you overcome by enhancing your sagacity and resilience any challenge. Remember that every blessing and reward in my divine plan for you pledge I've made, because they're more than just words. They're evidence of my unwavering dedication. Dangle such comforts as guiding lights on your earthly journey into the sacred domain of celestial promises. Immerse yourself and see the timeless fabric of my love for these brilliant. Your steadfast dedication transcend the tumultuous beats of reality, illuminating your way like a heavenly constellations. Our bright promises spread across the vastness of the night sky. Revelation appearing just when it's needed, revealing the intricacies of my heavenly plan, a plan that surpasses the limitations of space and time. As you move through the corridors of time, permit no longer the ticking clock to depress you, or the obvious holdup in finding the answers to your prayers to undermine your faith. Instead, put your trust in me, because you will see the glorious manifestation of through the traits of persistence and unwavering perception. Each pledge serves as a tribute to the unending flame of my love and devotion, placing the responsibility of your embrace of truth on my shoulders, since I am an unstoppable force in your life every day, leading you to the triumph that is rightfully yours on the battleground of your life. Know you will suffer pain, your enemies will retreat from the cover of my presence, and with me by your side, my love, you will triumph, because you are more than simply a conqueror. At every step in your road, never forget that I am the inheritor of an endless number of wins. Your unending wellspring of power, your instantaneous and unwavering assistance, and your eternal bulwark of assistance, as your all-powerful God bestows all blessings upon you and show you nothing but love. My affection for you knows no bounds. Please donate us $100 to support us. In the cosmos has the power to put out this never-ending flame, lessen, or change, so you can feel secure knowing that my strength and love are with you when you travel on challenging and hazardous routes. Cloud, you be mindful of my affection, as I am at your side at every turn, providing a comforting presence and guiding light. Sense my endless love's warmth in my embrace bursts into your being, giving you the energy to accomplish all of your objectives and satisfy your deepest desires. Wishes, you are not alone, my little child, for I am always there to support you in whatever decision you make or project how life unfolds. Prior to you assuming the essential reality that my essence, the divine presence, is a beacon of unwavering courage and unwavering aid, permeates every facet of your life, guiding you at every turn to the many riches I've well thought out, so that you would trust me in the worst circumstances, since I am always there, a constant source of strength. That you should never forget the knowledge that I am your all-powerful God, wrapping you in endless. I hope to pour you with an endless amount of blessings and mercies, till every drop bursts. Acknowledging my cherished child with the aura of tranquility, joy, and contentment that my love for you is boundless and eternal, walk with assurance, understanding that since I'm here with you, holding your hand and pointing the way, everything will work out. To a happy existence, plenty and tranquility no longer provide or withdraw. They confront challenging situations with unflinching bravery, faith, and resistance resolve as a result. Observe how uncertainty disappears and the surrounding darkness provides this beautiful soft shall lead the path to the eternal light that emanates from within me. You along the unheard bliss path, exposing the wonderful rewards I've reserved just for you. Think of me as you go, my expensive child, since every step you take is a tribute to the majesty of your unravel the strands of your dreams as you go out on this trip. Together to produce a work of art that surpasses your expectations. Expectations take into account the vibrant grass of opportunities that is waiting for you, where every bloom acts as a tribute to your perseverance and unwavering determination. Allow your victories to reverberate throughout time. Recognize that my heart is open to the melodies of contentment that will follow each step you take. The fabric of your life, a harmonious dance of blessings and successes, is being woven by the celestial hand. Difficult circumstances that life may present, but remember my kid, the sculptor who makes the memorial to your character is having trouble. Don't let doubt's shadows cover your spirit. In the darkest hours, my light illuminates the source. Even the storms that are ahead of you will serve to fortify your roots and make you more resilient. Unwavering even though the path may be tortuous and arduous, fear is no longer an option since you are not alone. The promises I made are timeless, and my universal love envelopes you like a shield against the shafts of despair. Echoing throughout the passageways of time, surpassing not only your being but also vibrating into the hearts of people who will walk in your footsteps and traverse the wide deserts of life, where the sands of doubt. You view me as an unending oasis of devotion, even when I can threaten to engulf you. Abundant streams of compassion slake your soul's wrath and nourish the seeds of desire within. March forward, my love, with unshakable trust in your future to unfold with divine precision, viewing each adversity as a chance for development and mindful of the mercy that moves you forward with every victory. You are on a holy pilgrimage, and I will accompany you at every turn, not only now, but never fear. Even if the way ahead appears hazy, I will always show my light. My presence serves as a barrier against the darkness, lighting your road and guiding you in the correct direction. The challenges that life may present shielding you from evil intentions only as a cautious. I will drive the hungry wolf away from you, mother or father, so that I can maximize your safety. When you're feeling helpless and weak, don't be scared to look for help. My assistance, since my long arm is always prepared to take you in when you're in need. Never forget that I am your haven, your source of life, and that you are a part of me. We'll have the fortitude to overcome every challenge that comes your way, no matter how far away you feel from, no matter how much you've messed up or committed crimes in the past. Nothing can ever change how much I love you. My love is an endless source of desire that will never fade despite your flaws. It gives you the courage to move on, get close to me, my sweetheart, and make the most of this opportunity and answer my call. Permit unfavorable voices, internal or extrinsic factors that could divert you from your planned path. Cling obstinately to my advice, which will bring you closer to knowledge and the truth. Are drawn towards temptation, the negativity that has centered on this globe since Long before your creation, embody the journey with unwavering faith, since you will be able to unleash the boundless benefits and intention I have painstakingly woven into the cloth. Accept my word completely on your existence, and I shall shower not only you but also a shower of abundant blessings from the heavens to your family and loved ones. My hand firmly and UNF bettered knows no limits to my confidence in them, and I'll reiterate my steadfast love for you. See the magnificence of the purpose I've woven into the thread of your life as my blessings cascade in. Preserve your faith like a lighthouse, and despite the enormous obstacles in your way, marvel at how my promises will make your journey come to life, and fight the urge to give in, to allow hardship to destroy your spirit, because every obstacle is a step toward your ultimate prosperity. My darling child, rely in the might of God and persevere in the well-thought-out path that I have marked out for you to avoid the attraction of harmful ambitions and temptations. Anything could deviate from your path. Solidify your trust, and bring your focus closer to me, your constant guide and unbreakable guardian through the turbulent waters of life. I will travel with you, and we will always come out on top. Grow closer to me, my darling kid, and find solace in the middle of your struggles. In addition to bringing you joy and happiness, I will further offer fresh advantages into your life. I sincerely promise to do so. Wealth, both monetary and non-material, in return for your unwavering faith and careful consideration of what I have spoken, will never fade. The haven of my love and protection, because it has amazing treasures of heavenly grace. Therefore ignore the deceitful whispers of evil, those faint murmurs that try to piece together the meager foundation of your faith, and against the raging currents of overwhelming evil, trust must endure. Listen to the symphony of love that is my voice, all throughout the world, and comprehension, in order to reveal the best course for you to take and free yourself from the constraints of pessimism. And accept my description of the wellspring of life as relaxation is assured, Ed, that I will always be there for you, supporting and gently guiding you through every step and choice you make, directing you to firmly establish your faith and put your faith in the promises I have made to you, because they will generally bloom like springtime blooms. Remember that your life is a blank canvas full of possibilities, with uncharted territory and gifts that are yet to be discovered. Maintain unwavering faith, as you have a significant impact on the magnificent fabric of this world. Believe in me and follow my lessons. Together, we'll seize it and hold on to it until you no longer feel weak, knowing that my boundless love and omnipotent energy will be there for you no matter what could give you courage. No matter how challenging the journey gets, with my help, you'll be able to get over every obstacle that appears. You are not alone on this road, since I am at your side at all times, giving you affection and an unwavering safety shield. I am a part of the divine design that carefully enters your life, and the marvels that lie ahead continue to advance without stopping dedication, because there will be a tapestry of joy, purpose, and benefits in the future. Waits for your heart with sincere gratitude. Never give up and keep moving forward with unshakable faith till the wide reaches of eternity are over. My darling, you can be confident that I am with you in spirit, and that the harmony of a chord is resonating across the universe. And when you place your faith in me, I will shower you with blessings that go beyond your country's borders. You can use your imagination to dispel any doubts, because I'll always be your friend. You have the strength and the right hand to help yourself to discover a place in your heart now, instead of later. Of justice, I'll be there for you in any circumstance to make sure you succeed. While traveling, you'll see people shoving up against you, my darling, and you won't be fazed by their attempts against my divine safety as your God, whom I keep, shall be fruitless. I have you under control, making your opponents terrified, but not because I am your store shade prepared to tackle the threads of misfortune that can cross your route. Inside the fire of the harsh realities of life, acknowledge that I am your result while you journey through the shadows. Consider me in times of crisis with unwavering courage, knowing that my presence will be your guiding light. I am the heavenly health practitioner who restores your wholeness and heals any scars you may have. The mastermind behind your deliverance, rescuing you from the depths of sorrow and bestowing upon you a multitude of blessings. And please remember, sweetheart, that my love for you endures forever. Circumstances, I'm your enduring friend, your solace, and the compass that guides every action you take, because the Holy Spirit has made the sanctuary of your heart a place where my essence is present. Accept this close relationship and know that I'm always here to offer support and direction. Even in the valley of shadows of death, the fabric of your life, don't be alarmed, consider my absolute authority over all affairs, your unwavering companion. That despite the barriers put up by scoffers, nothing eludes my omniscient gaze, and that my loving goals for you to stay strong and unfazed by outside events. Give up your way ahead of me, my infant, and witness the mend of your price range. I am the wealth harbinger, double the outcomes.